Get ready to turn your life around. Are you at least 30 pounds overweight with a BMI of 30 or higher? Are you suffering with health-related issues like diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, knee, back, or joint pain? If so, it's time you learn about the Lap-Band system at Jordan Valley Medical Center. A safe choice when diet and exercise are not enough. For many people, it's a never-ending cycle. You try diligently to lose weight, but gain it all back plus some.